Hi everyone, this is Heather Lockton from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 364, and today a friend of mine asked me, hey, how do I know when I need a new camera? And actually, if we're talking about cameras, it's pretty straightforward. Does it do what you need it to do, or is it not doing something that you need? And if so, then it might be time to update. This might be a little bit easier to look at in terms of lenses, because if you're using, say, an 18 to 55 kit lens with variable aperture, and you say, oh, I would really like shallow depth of field, well, you can't get it from that lens, so you would need to upgrade to a 2.8. But in terms of a camera, just ask yourself, is there something that I need it to do that it can't currently do? How do I know when I need to go from a crop sensor camera to a full frame camera? Well, do you need better ISO performance? Are there things that are missing? If you're able to take great photos, then you're probably okay. I feel like you'll know when you've grown out of your camera because it just won't do something that you need. And don't spend the money until you know that you need something different. And the only other reason would be, is the technology really, really old? I mean, I've had my D700s for 8 years now. It's not old. I think they're fantastic. I still use them, but they're getting a little bit older. So I purchased the D750 in order to upgrade. So they last longer. They do a really good job. So it's not always that you've had it for a really long time. It's really about capability, or there's some type of performance enhancement that you need. That's how you know when it's time to upgrade your camera. Could you comment below? Let me know about how often do you upgrade your cameras and why do you do so? I'll see you in the next video.